Man, what's been going on? Let them know how you be vibing when you be vibing, though, dog. Okay, then, what you mean?
You know, just be
Little
chilling.
nigga ain't playing with it.
You know, DTE the gang, all that. We in the building. DTE little DayDay clocking in.
But let them know how it is for you, though, when you vibing in the club, though, man. You been to the strip club yet?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, what you doing in the strip club?
We f***ing it up, you feel me?
So you done made it rain in the strip club before?
Yep.
Damn. Your spray, how the spray get? Can you hold that? What you mean? Tippie toe. What's the most you think you throw it in the club? Please don't say no more than 2 bands now. You too young to be throwing too much.
Nah, I probably threw over 2 bands in the club. I ain't gonna lie.
How much you
Probably did.
Well, you don't even count. You just.
We be going down. I ain't gonna lie. We be going down. Some know the movement. We don't count. You feel me, bro? Count. We just throw. You feel me?
You got that.
We get them hoes money. We get them hoes money. You feel me? Go pay your bills.
Early, like 14, you making them pay. You paying bills already?
Yeah.
Phone bill, metro bill.
These hoes be thinking online. I'll pay your bills. I'll change your whole life.
What's your age limit, though, dog?
Hey, I don't discriminate, baby. You just can't be over 40.
No, you can't be over 40. Cougars and all get it. Tippie toe.
Swear to God.
Cougars and all get it. So she 35, she straight.
Yeah.
What you mean, auntie, you got a chance? What you mean?
Yeah.
What you mean, auntie got a chance? Yeah. Your auntie she got a little young, though.
Big bitches, not big bitches for real.
No. Oh, so you don't do the big bitches?
Nah.
What
big bitches for Zoe. My dog Zoe. Big bitches for Zoe. Yeah. Big bitches for Zoe.
So what you do when the big bitches holler at you?
Send them to Zoe. We pass them to Zoe. You feel me? Assist, hey Zoe. Assist. What you talking about? Pass that shit to Zoe.
Okay then.
Hey, you gonna give it to him, Zoe.
It's going down.
The right person. You feel me? The right man.
Mm-hmm. So you say you ain't tricking if you got it then?
I ain't tripping no, you feel me?
Okay then, I'm saying, what about the drip though? Where the drip came from? You got to talk about the drip though,
you know,
man.
Off-white on my feet.
No, what I'm saying, what's up with that? You feel me?
What, chain?
Yeah, you feel me? Let them know.
Johnny Dang, you feel me? Right on the pop.
What you mean? My dog Stamp.
Johnny Dang.
My dog Stamp. What you mean? That thing tatted up. That boy Johnny Dang tatted up. So let them know what the chunk say though.
Huh?
What it say though?
My chain. Little DayDay.
Okay,
4-power DTE.
Okay then. God damn it.
All that.
And what about the my P? Johnny Dang too? You say what you mean? Tighten up.
Stop playing.
Stop playing.
Go get right, man. Go spend a 30 in your mouth.
How much you spent?
Go spend a 30 in your
That
mouth.
boy there to go spend a 30. God damn, young nigga shit.
You know it.
God damn. I'm saying, but when you be in school,
I know I look sexy as fuck on that camera. Stop playing.
when you in school, can the kids focus though, bro? When you in school,
I don't know.
You don't know?
I ain't even think about it right now, cause I'm feeling myself today.
Okay then, what you mean? Oh, yo, you got his one more freestyle real quick though, dog.
One more?
One more, dog. Give us a long one. Give us a long one. They turn up on him.
I got you. Damn. You know, I gotta go look. Yeah.
The phone dying.
I tell you.
Let's crank him up now.
I think I hit gassed up on him.
Oh, that boy, look, boy, he about to give us a turn up one.
Always.
And my dog searching too, so you know it's about to be serious, bitch. What you mean? Yeah, tippy toe.
These niggas my man and me. Told your bitch cut the lights off. I wanna fuck till the morning. I'm pulling the track out. I'm gonna talk. I forgot I be little kids. Told your bitch cut the lights off. We gon' fuck till the morning, I'm pulling the track out. Watch I beat the big back out. Then I'm out the back door, I'ma slide to the trap house. And this guy and I'm smoking this doodoo. Fuck your bitches, she wanna watch Hulu. And these diamonds, they wet, they ain't foo-foo. Fuck your bitch and I nut in her cuckoo. Make the bitch scream like ooh. And I clap at the nigga ain't voodoo. Want me, nigga like who you? I'ma cap me up, play with the do. And I'm serving her buddy named Tutu. And I run through that little back in the week. Fucking that bitch and that bitch, she a freak. Get that hoe at the door, cause that hoe wanna eat. Cause that hoe wanna eat. Eat the whole gang. Get that hoe in the feast, y'all. And that hoe in the feast. I beat on the dog, off on the leash, y'all. I'm off on the leash, y'all. I'm off on the leash. Me and Glock in the bitch shoot from the 3. Me and Glock in the bitch buff from the 3, y'all. We gonna hit his eye heat. We gonna hit him with heat.
Y'all know what it is, man. Tippie toe. That's how we coming. What
Stop
you
playing,
playing? Stop playing. Let them know who my guest was, man. Big Bang Road.
DTE, little daddy.
Stop playing with my little
All
dog.
that clocking in.
Okay then.
You
Tighten
ain't
up.
never clocking out.
Glee. Okay then.
Play for her.
For sure.